And it's the end of day 3 of my kitchen remodel here in Yucatan, Mexico. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, and I'm documenting my kitchen renovation. It's actually from scratch, really, because we had to rip out the kitchen when we bought this place. So this is what they did today: is they started sticking on more of the outline of our kitchen island. So that's the island. We're gonna have a stove here, counter, cabinets. And then over here, we'll have the seat like right there. A wing of the island comes out here. And of course over here. So we're gonna have all this. This is where we stick the granite. We'll have some cabinets underneath as well. When that we've already picked out and everything. And it'll be, that's the living room. So we'll be able to see the TV, the air conditioning will blow right on us. Even though you do have an option of sticking the air conditioner here if it's too hot, but we'll see. And so they built up the walls and started putting in concrete. An electrician is this orange tubing. That's the electrical. He told me wanted a lot of outlets and stuff like that. So that was the end of day 3 of the kitchen renovation. Complete to install. Make sure you follow the channel, subscribe to Expat Rebel. And if you got a question about doing a kitchen remodel or from scratch here in Mexico, go ahead and leave that as a comment. And also, if you're interested in a weekly newsletter, you can go over to expatrebel.com and get on that. Share a lot more information about becoming an expat and being an expat over there. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.